like?
Okay.
Who do you drive like?
Jimmy!
Alright.
I drive a car on the street like I'm a man.
Driving like a man, huh? You are a man. You are
I'm
the
gonna
man.
drive.
Happy birthday, Justin.
I'm gonna drive like a man.
That's right.
Go faster! You still catch up! Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-huh, we bumped it.
You better stop it. You jerking my leg. It's okay, you're doing good. Doing good, man.
Woo! Weehaw! We're catching up. Hey! There you are! We're catching up.
Oh, Mama didn't even see her. We almost crashed the car in front of us.
Roger! Let's go! Go faster! Woohoo! Oh, that's it. Oh, go faster!
How do you feel that you just driven the car for the first time?
Let's go!
All right.
Let's go! We're driving in the circle. We're on a racer.
Yes.
Go, please!